Rabbits are good for many things. You can have them as pets. You can sell them as pets to make money. You can raise them to sell them to pet sellers, to sell them as pets, to make money. You can also eat them. You can make them into rabbit stew, rabbit stufado, rabbit in mustard sauce. Yes, these are real things. I looked them up. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these little guys, an origami rabbit. Don't eat it though. It's made out of paper. So origami is the art of paper folding, which originated in China. In China, they burn paper at funerals to represent golden nuggets. So the first step to making your little origami bunny is you're going to want to fold your piece of paper corner to corner. Now since mine is colored, you're going to want the color side out when you fold it. Crease. The next step is you're going to want to do the exact same thing except the other corner to the other corner. And then crease it. The next step is you're going to want to fold it white side out into a smaller rectangle in half. You're going to want to make it as close as possible to the corners because you want to have your rabbit be symmetrical. So the next step is you're going to want to collapse this edgy piece of paper into what is called a waterbomb base, which will look like this. Now, a waterbomb base is the base for a water bomb box, which looks like this, and it's thought to originate in China. It's made by folding the feet of the rabbit on both sides of the water bomb base. And we're making a rabbit, so we're not going to do that. So how to make the feet of the rabbit is you will fold up the two ends of the triangle, and it should fold up, and you should make a diamond with it. Fold up the corners. And you want to do this on both sides. Once again, making it symmetrical. And it should end up looking something like this. The next step you're going to want to take is take the two edges of the diamonds, the left and right sides, and fold them inwards towards the middle. This should create little pockets on the inside, on the top. And so the next step, which would make the step after that a heck of a lot easier, is you're going to want to take the top part of these little triangles above the pockets, and you're going to fold them in half downwards. And it should end up looking like this. So the next step is you're going to want to fold these small triangles that you have above the pockets, and you're going to want to fold them in the pockets. Kind of like this. It's hard to do it backwards. And that should make the feet of the rabbit, which should end up looking a little like this. Now, if we were to do it on this side as well, we would end up getting one of these. But you don't want that. So the next step to making your little rabbit is you're going to want to take the two halves of the triangles and fold them downward, like this. Again, you're going to want it to be symmetrical. Same on both sides. The next step you're going to want to take is you're going to want to fold the edges of the triangles upwards to make a horizontal line, and which should end up looking like this. The next step is you're going to want to take the triangles and fold them upwards like this. Again, you want it to stay as close to the middle to make it symmetrical. Voice crack there. And it should end up looking something like this. Now, this doesn't look much like this, does it? Now, see how right here, if you look at where the nose of the bunny should be and the middle of this water bomb box, you can see a small hole. Now, if you locate this at the edge of your bunny's nose, you should also find that small hole, and you're going to want to blow into it. And it will pop up like this. So, that is how you make one of these little origami rabbits. Okay, so today